Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei P30 Pro, and today I'll show you fingerprint sensor test. We are going to make few tries and let's see how the sensor perform. So let's start. We can make it from the blank screen. When you tap once, the fingerprint icon will be on the display. As you can see, it goes very fast. We can also press power button to get it on the lock screen, and on the both cases it works very fast. So no matter if you unlock from the lock screen or from the totally blank screen, the sensor works really good. It recognizes my fingerprint every time and it's really fast. Maybe it's a little bit slower than OnePlus 9 Pro or Xiaomi Mi 11, but it's still really good. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.